Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. Let us see here question number 64. The length of a rectangle is thrice as long as the side of the square. There is a two things, that is a rectangle and a square. Let us see here the solution of this question. Suppose here there is a rectangle. Okay. We suppose this one the rectangle, and here there is a square also. Okay, in the question the two things, that is a square and rectangle. Okay, the length of a rectangle is thrice as long as the side of the square. Okay, the length of a rectangle is three times as long as the side of the square. Okay, the side of the square is 4 centimeter more than the width of the rectangle. The side of the square is 4 centimeter more than the width of the rectangle. Suppose the width of the rectangle is, we suppose, x. This one the width of the rectangle means b equal to x, we suppose. Then the side of the square becomes 4 centimeter more, means this one becomes x plus 4. So this one also becomes x plus 4 because it is a square. Okay, I hope you are able to follow me. And the first statement, the length of a rectangle is thrice as long as the side of the square, means the length, that is L, is given how much? Thrice, 3 times long as the side of the square, means 3 into x plus 4. The side of the square, that is, becomes how much? X plus 4. I hope you are able to follow me. The length becomes 3 into x plus 4 and the breadth becomes x. Okay, again in the question, the area being equal, find their dimension. In the question given, the area is equal, the area of rectangle equal to the area of a square. Okay, you can write here, according to question, area of a rectangle equal to area of a square. The area of rectangle becomes L into b, length into breadth, that is how much? 3 into x plus 4 into b, that is x. This one the length into breadth, the area of rectangle. And the area of square becomes x plus 4 the whole square. Side square, that becomes x plus 4 is whole square. And from here we solve these things. 3x, this one 3x into x becomes 3x square. This 3x into 4 becomes 3 4 the 12x. Okay, and from here a square, 4 4 is 16 b square plus 2 into 4 becomes 8x. Directly you can write 8x, 2ab 8x. We know that if you solve these things, you get how much? 3x square minus x square becomes how much? 2x square. And here 12x minus 8x becomes how much? 4x, and minus 16 equal to 0. You can write 3x square minus x square becomes 2x square, 12x, the 8 comes to another side becomes minus 8x, becomes how much? 4x, and here 16 come to the another side becomes minus 16. If you divide by 2 on both sides, you get how much? This one x square, and this one becomes 2x, and this one becomes 2 8 just 16, and it will be equal to 0. If you multiply, you get how much? 8x square, 4 2 8, 4x minus 2x becomes 2x. So we decide that we put here, you can write x square plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. We decided to put 4x minus 2x in place of 2x. In place of 2x, we put here 4x minus 2x. 4x minus 2x becomes 2x, and 4 2 is 8x square minus. Okay, I hope you are able to follow me. If you take x as a common, you get how much? X plus 4 and minus 2 as a common, x plus 4, and it will be equal to 0. You know that x plus 4 and x plus 4 present in both terms, so we take x plus 4 as a common, and x minus 2 will be the remaining portion, and we know that x equal to minus 4 from here and x equal to 2. We know that x cannot be negative because x is a length, so x equal to 2 is our answer. So the breadth B, you can write here the breadth of a rectangle becomes how much? It will be equal to x equal to 2 meter. We have 2 meter. Here centimeter, so this one also centimeter. Okay, centimeter. And the length of a rectangle becomes how much? It will be equal to how much? 3 into x plus 4, means 3 into, in place of x you put 2 plus 4, you get how much? 2 4 6 3 ja 18, 2 4 6 3 ja 18 centimeter. And the side of a square, it will be equal to x plus 4x, is that is given 2 plus 4 means 6 centimeter. I hope you are able to follow me. Thank you very much.